Hey everyone! Today, let's dive into something that's probably crossed your mind at least once, especially after a long day of snacking or sipping on that sugary drink. Yes, I'm talking about dental plaque. You know, that sneaky little villain that builds up on our teeth, making them feel less than fresh and contributing to some serious dental dilemmas if we don't keep it in check. So, I thought it'd be super helpful to share my top 3 remedies to tackle dental plaque head-on. Trust me, your smile will thank you. First up, let's talk about the classic and totally essential, brushing your teeth. I know you're probably thinking, well, duh, but hear me out. It's not just about brushing, it's about how you brush. You want to make sure you're using a fluoride toothpaste because fluoride is like your teeth's best friend. It strengthens your enamel and helps fight off those pesky plaque bacteria. And don't just do a quick once-over, you want to spend at least 2 minutes brushing, making sure to hit every surface of your teeth, front, back, and chewing surfaces. And let's not forget about that tongue. It can harbor bacteria too, so give it a gentle scrub. If you can, try using an electric toothbrush. They can be more effective at removing plaque compared to manual ones. Plus, they often come with timers to make sure you're brushing long enough. So if you've been brushing for like 30 seconds and calling it a day, it's time to step up your game. Now, remedy number 2, flossing. Yes, I know it's the step that so many of us skip, but I promise you, it's a game changer. Plaque loves to hide between your teeth, and if you're not flossing, you're basically giving it a cozy little home. Flossing helps remove food particles and plaque from those tight spaces that your toothbrush just can't reach. It might feel a little awkward at first, but it gets easier with practice. And if regular floss isn't your thing, there are so many alternatives out there. Floss picks, water flossers, you name it. Just find what works for you and make it a daily habit. Trust me, your gums will be happier and you'll notice a difference in your overall oral hygiene. And last, but definitely not least, let's chat about rinsing with mouthwash. This isn't just for fresh breath. Mouthwash can be a powerful ally in the fight against plaque. Look for an antibacterial mouthwash that's specifically designed to help reduce plaque. Rinsing after brushing and flossing can help wash away any remaining debris and bacteria, giving you that extra layer of protection. Plus, it leaves your mouth feeling super fresh. Just be sure to follow the instructions on the bottle. Some mouthwashes are meant to be used as a rinse, while others should be swished around for a certain amount of time. So there you have it. My top 3 remedies for removing dental plaque. Brush your teeth the right way, don't skip the floss, and finish it off with a good mouthwash. It may seem like a lot, but incorporating these steps into your daily routine can make a world of difference. Your teeth are worth it. And remember, regular visits to your dentist are crucial too. They can help catch any plaque buildup before it turns into something more serious. So let's keep those smiles bright and plaque-free. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own dental care tips in the comments below.